Hi, this is Rob MacArthur from the CBD Curators. Today I want to talk a little bit about transdermal patches. So over the last year I tried several transdermal patches and I found the products to be very inconsistent. And it drove me absolutely nuts. So I'm going to show you an example of what we're carrying and what we're not carrying. First I'll talk to you a little bit about the product that we are carrying. This is the Made by Hemp product. It's got 40 milligrams of CBD in it. We charge $18.95 for it. So what is that patch used for? As someone who's been in chronic back pain for many years, one of the products that the doctors gave me, aside from opiate pills, was transdermal patch. I can tell you that this 40 milligram patch on my body is as good as a fentanyl patch. As good as a fentanyl patch, okay? And I don't feel tired, and I don't feel depressed, and I don't feel angry with it on me the way I do when I have a fentanyl patch on me. So it lasts for about 12 hours. I have known people who have cut them in half. I was a former smoker, so I quit smoking with patches, so I'm used to taking patches. I know people who've cut them in half. I know people who've moved them from their hip to their knee and back and gotten a little bit more than 12 hours out of it. But generally, I consider it to be for emergency purposes. If I'm going in a long car ride, 4 or 5 hours, going somewhere in New York to Boston, or if I'm going, God forbid, on a plane ride, if anybody actually gets on a plane again in the future, somebody who's got chronic back pain knows what I'm talking about. After the first hour or two of sitting in that plane seat, your back starts to hurt. And if you're on a long haul, like going to the West Coast, forget it. You're in pain. You can't sleep coming back on the red eye because your back hurts. However, if you put a 40 milligram patch on there, I'm telling you, it's going to feel fantastic. So here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bash a company because it really irritates me. This company's product says that it's got 60 milligrams of full spectrum CBD in it. So it says the word full spectrum right there, full spectrum. At the bottom, though, it says no THC in it. No THC. No THC. Those two statements run contrary to each other. Full spectrum means it has a little bit of THC in it. So that's a red flag. This product also says 96 hours extended release. No way. It doesn't work. Don't be fooled by fake product. Don't buy this product. I'm sorry if you're the company, but you can buy this product on our website, www.thecbdcurators.com. Thank you very much. Appreciate your listening.